Hi, welcome to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. Another Friday, another unboxing. So I got a Milwaukee kit. So Home Depot is running a promo right now. I was looking at doing the Fuel M12 Surge Impact to replace my previous Milwaukee Impact, which is this guy. And I've had this for probably 15 years. It's 2450-20 is the model number. It's the original M12 Impact, and it really doesn't owe me anything. I used it for years working on cars. It's been good. It works fine. It doesn't give me any problems right now. But the Fuels have batteries that last longer and they provide more torque, and I felt it as though it was time for an upgrade. So I was back and forth between the regular Fuel M12 Impact and the Surge M12 Impact. The Surge has a little bit more torque, but it's quite a bit more expensive, and I didn't know if it really made a lot of sense to do that. It's quieter and it has a little bit more torque, not a substantial amount more torque. And truthfully, if I was doing something that required that much torque, I'd probably use my M18, which I already have. So I was at Home Depot today and I was picking up both of them and playing with them and trying to decide between the two of them so that I could place an order from Obsessed Garage. And they're running a promo there where if you buy the kit, which is the M12 Fuel Impact and the M12 Hammer Drill, which I have the chuck drill already. This, the old style chuck drill, non-fuel. So you get 2 fuel tools and 2 battery packs for $229. So that's what this kit normally sells for. But right now they're giving you the choice of a free tool. So you can get a ratchet, you can get a multi-tool, you can get a, trying to remember, a right angle drill, several other things, which all of those tools I already have. So you can have this multi-tool for free, or you can have this right angle drill for free, or you can have this ratchet, 3/8 ratchet for free, or you can get what I got, which is the battery pack. So you can get this battery pack, an XC 6.0 Red Lithium battery pack. So let's unbox this kit and see what it actually comes with inside. All right. So to start, got this nice Milwaukee bag. It's pretty heavy duty. It's got a nice zipper on it, giant, like you could open this with gloves easily. It's a nice bag. I like this better than the impact molded cases that they always used to give you, the red plastic cases, because it can hold more than just the tools that come in it. It could hold other things. You can use it for whatever you want. There's an owner's manual, of course. There's a charger, standard M12 single charger. I have a combo charger, so I won't be using that. The drill itself. So this is the M12 Fuel brushless drill, 2 speeds. So this is fuel, which means it's brushless. So that's an improvement over this drill that I already had. And it's also a hammer drill. So it has a hammer mode, and you can, you don't use it as a hammer drill. I don't know how much point there is in having a hammer drill, to be perfectly honest with you, in a 12 volt. I have an 18 volt hammer drill, and if I was going to be, drilling concrete, I would probably use that. But it's an improvement over the one that I already have. It's not substantially heavier because it's a hammer drill, it's a fuel. So it just made sense to do it, I think. So we have that drill. We have the impact gun. So this is the impact. And the drill model number is 2504. This is a 2553 impact. So it's a fuel brushless impact gun. It has 3 speeds as well as a drilling mode. If you look at it compared to the old one, it's substantially shorter. And it has the updated chuck that allows you to put bits in it without having to, it's a one-handed bit insertion. So super nice. It's got a belt clip on it. It's got multiple speeds. Then there are 2 battery packs in this case. So this is a standard, well, it's upgraded from their standard. Their standard is a 1.5 amp hour battery. This is a 2 amp hour battery. So that's the 2. Looks like it comes with about a half a charge. And then they also give you a 4 amp hour XC battery, which is in here right now. So essentially for $229, I was able to get a fuel impact, a fuel 12-volt hammer drill, these two battery packs, the 2 amp hour, the 4 amp hour, a charger, and a 6 amp hour battery, 220 bucks. So I'd say that's a pretty great deal. This battery by itself is $119 if you're buying it at retail. Now that being said, I have a lot of batteries. I probably didn't need to add 3 more, but a lot of my batteries are older, and they're the old 1 amp hour or the 1.4 amp hour original red lithiums. So these would be a nice upgrade anyway from a runtime and capacity standpoint. So maybe I'll consolidate some of this stuff down, get rid of some of my old batteries, clean out the cabinet a little bit, and just run, some of the newer stuff. So just in the interest of always upgrading, looking at what's new and what's improved and what makes the most sense to invest in. So that's it for today. I can do a subsequent video where I'll be using them and I can talk about how I like them or what I don't like about them, if there's anything that I don't like about them. But for now, they need to be charged and prepared for use. So thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to allow me to do more of this stuff, and have a great day.